you're gonna wanna put the start bar back on, which is this little silver long strip that I told you to take off before. You're gonna need to go over to the right side, and you see a little plug right there. It's copper, and you're gonna need to slide the little ribbon inside of that. Make sure you get it all the way in. Alright, that's in. Alright, now lay down the start bar and lay it across here, and make sure that you get the holes inside of the little pin inside of the hole, and align it up on the right side and then push down on the left side. Hold on. I'll put down this for a moment. I lined up the right side, and now I'm gonna clip it down on the left side. There we go. Alright, next, make sure that you clean off the LCD before you put the front panel back on. Make sure you clean up under the panel and stuff, because you do not want fingerprints on your LCD, because I know how that can get very, very annoying. You may want to take off your plating every once in a while just to clean your LCD so you don't get all that shit under it. But mine seems pretty good. Not a lot of fingerprints. Actually, I do see some. Make sure you get all the fingerprints and stuff off of it, because it'll look a lot nicer when you turn your PSP back on. Alright, next you're gonna put down your rag that you use to clean it. I prefer using either like a microfiber cloth or an eyeglass cloth. Don't use anything other than that, because it'll just come out really, really crappy. Next, you're gonna take the PSP front panel and you're gonna gently lay it back on top of it. Make sure you line up the little clip inside. Make sure it goes inside there. Make sure the left trigger and the right trigger don't fall out. Otherwise you'll have to retake that apart. Here, hold up. I'm going to put down the camera. Alright, next, after you do that, turn it over on its back. You're going to start putting the screws back in. Make sure that the PSP front panel is completely back on. Make sure no wires or anything are sticking out of it and all that, and then if you're good, turn it back over. Now, I'm going to start on the right side for putting the screws back in, and I'm going to do that right now. The side with the memory stick, not the side with the battery. I'm going to start with this side, the one with the memory stick, the opposite from the one with the battery. Just going to start putting those two screws back in. Alright. Now go to the left side. Make sure you put those 4 screws back in. Alright, now that you got those 4 screws in, you're going to need to go to the bottom of the PSP. And you're going to need to put this the last silver screw back in there. It's in the very center on the bottom of the PSP. And just put that in there. Alright, now put your battery back in and make sure that all the screws are back in and everything, and then put the plating back on for the battery, and there you go. That's how you replace the LCD on the PSP. You're going to want to make sure that the LCD is currently working, like this one. See, this one is currently working. See, I took it out and put it back in without frying anything. And make sure that your start bar is working and everything, because if you didn't plug in your start bar all the way, that may give you a problem. I'm not sure. Yep, see, my start bar is working. Alright, this has been another video from Randy from the Techbook Geeks. If you like my videos, please rate, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys later.